Hey guys! Welcome back sa ating Sydney Vlog series. So today, I'm taking you along to try out the ultimate luxury buffet experience dito sa Sydney. This is Epicurean, located inside Crown Barangaroo. Sabi nila ito daw talaga ang go-to place pag gusto mo ng top-tier dining na may kasamang killer views of Sydney Harbor. Medyo pricey siya, so for today's video, titingnan natin kung worth it nga ba ang hype or baka naman aesthetic lang. Unang salang pa lang natin, tayo naloko na agad kayo sa star of the show, ang kanilang premium seafood section. Look at that. Kitang-kita nyo naman. Hindi tinipid. Naglalakihang king crabs, freshly shucked oysters, sweet prawns, at high-quality sashimi choices. Feeling ko dito pa lang sa king crab, mababawi mo na agad lang binayad mo eh. Sobrang fresh, luto ng maayos, at juicy. Literal na magkakagout ka muna bago ka sumuko rito guys. Kung seafood lover kayo, mapapaiyak kayo sa tuwa rito, promise. Pero syempre, hindi lang naman seafood ang meron sila. Kung medyo napaparami na ang lamig sa tiyan nyo, localized stations also feature hot dishes from all over the world. May live carvery kung saan islice sa harap mo yung super tender na roast meats. May high-end dim sum at western dishes. Ang nagustuhan ko rito, bawat cuisine may dedicated chef talaga, kaya authentic yung lasa, hindi yung parang pilit lang. And now, let's go to my absolute favorite part, ang dessert heaven nila. Grabe guys, hindi lang to basta dessert corner. Para kang pumasok sa isang high-end pastry shop sa Paris. Ang daming choices. Ang daming variety ng cakes. May rich chocolate cakes, tarts, cheesecakes, at iba't ibang pastries na aesthetic na masarap pa. Pwede ka ring mag-request ng personalized plate ng assorted sweets at macarons. At hindi lang yan, may dedicated section din para sa house-made ice cream at gelato na may sandamakmak na toppings plus may giant chocolate fountain pa. Kung may sweet tooth kayo, nako, dito palang busog na kayo. So, final verdict, if may special occasion kayo or nagpaplano kayong pumunta ng Sydney, make sure na i-add nyo to sa food itinerary nyo. Super worth the experience. If nagustuhan nyo tong video na to, don't forget to hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more Australia food adventures. See you sa susunod na vlog. Bye!